2013 INFINITI G37 V6. Still got the factory converters there and there. Then it wires into a single 2-inch pipe. Then it goes out 2 1/4 to 2 resonators. You don't want to take them out with mufflers, whatever you want to call them. Everybody calls them differently. Then what we did is a rear muffler delete there and there, and reuse his stock tips. He didn't want it too loud, and he didn't want to spend the money on the tips. He's going to bring it back later on. You always want to tuck them up like that. It just looks really clean. And when it's on the ground, you don't see anything but the tips. There's the massive muffler that was on it that we cut off. So anyways, there it is, INFINITI G37. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. Not bad at all. Sound decibels. Again. 106. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Hit that subscribe and like button. Keeps us going. I like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Like it? G37 INFINITI.